roll away. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched an English movie or listened to native speakers chatting and suddenly thought, wait, what did they just say? Like when someone says, bite the bullet or break the ice, and you're sitting there wondering, why are we talking about bullets and ice? Well, here's the secret. These are idioms, short, powerful expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say, but they carry meanings that every native English speaker instantly understands. And today, you're going to learn 25 of the most useful and common idioms that'll make your English sound more fluent, natural, and confident. So grab your tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's jump right into it. Number 1. Bite the bullet. To bite the bullet means to face something difficult or unpleasant with courage. It comes from old battlefield medicine, when soldiers literally bit on a bullet to endure pain during surgery. For example, I didn't want to speak in front of the class, but I bit the bullet and did it anyway. So when life gets tough, bite the bullet and move forward bravely. Number 2. Tip of the iceberg. This means what you can see is only a small part of a much bigger situation, like an iceberg, where most of it is hidden below the water. For example, the company's problems are just the tip of the iceberg, perfect for describing when there's more beneath the surface. Number 3. Hold your horses. This one's playful. It means wait a minute or slow down. It comes from the days of horse carriages, when drivers literally had to hold their horses to stop them. For example, hold your horses, we're not ready yet. A fun and friendly way to tell someone to be patient. Number 4. Break the ice. To break the ice means to start a conversation or make people feel comfortable in a new situation. For example, I told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. Perfect for meeting new people or starting small talk. Number 5. Piece of cake. When something is a piece of cake, it's super easy. For example, the driving test was a piece of cake. A sweet and confident way to say that was easy. Number 6. Feeling blue. If someone says they're feeling blue, it means they're sad or down. For example, I've been feeling blue since my best friend moved away. It's poetic, simple, yet full of emotion. Number 7. Silver lining. A silver lining is the good part hidden inside a bad situation, like sunlight behind dark clouds. For example, I missed my flight, but the silver lining was extra time with my family. A beautiful way to stay positive and look for light in the dark. Number 8. Come rain or shine. This idiom means you'll do something no matter what, through any challenge or weather. For example, I'll support you come rain or shine. It shows loyalty, promise, and perseverance. Number 9. Get it off your chest. To get something off your chest means to share something that's been bothering you. For example, I finally told my boss how I felt. It was great to get it off my chest. It's about emotional relief and honesty. Number 10. Take it with a grain of salt. This means not to believe everything you hear. Be a little skeptical. For example, he said he met the president, but I'd take that with a grain of salt. A polite way to say, don't take it too seriously. Number 11. Take a chill pill. A fun, modern idiom. It means relax or calm down. For example, take a chill pill, everything's fine. Playful, informal, and perfect among friends. Number 12. Hang in there. It means don't give up. Keep trying even when it's hard. For example, hang in there. You're almost done with your exams. A warm phrase for comfort and support. Number 13. Cut some slack. To cut someone some slack means to be patient and not judge too harshly. For example, she's new at this job. Let's cut her some slack. It's all about kindness and empathy. Number 14. Play it by ear. To play it by ear means to go with the flow. No fixed plan, just adapt. For example, we don't have an exact schedule. Let's play it by ear. A relaxed and fluent phrase for casual English. Number 15. Get the ball rolling. Means to start something, a project, a plan, or even a conversation. For example, let's get the ball rolling on our English practice group. It adds energy and excitement to any activity. Number 16. Step up. To step up means to take charge or do better. For example, it's time for you to step up and lead the team. It's about courage, leadership, and growth. Number 17. Cut corners. To cut corners means to do something quickly and carelessly to save time, usually with bad results. For example, we can't cut corners on safety. A strong idiom for work and responsibility. Number 18. Under the weather. It means feeling a little sick or not at your best. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. A polite and natural way to say you're unwell. Number 19. Butterflies in my stomach. It means feeling nervous or excited, especially before something important. For example, I always get butterflies in my stomach before public speaking. It adds emotion and authenticity to your speech. Number 20. Short fuse. Someone with a short fuse gets angry easily. For example, my teacher has a short fuse, so I try not to annoy him. A vivid idiom for quick temper. Number 21. Rain check. To take a rain check means to reschedule politely. For example, can we take a rain check on dinner? I have to work late. A smooth and respectful way to say, let's do it later. Number 22. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. It means two options are basically the same. For example, should we take the bus or the train? 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. A relaxed idiom to express no preference. Number 23. A dime a dozen. It means something is very common or not special. For example, tourist shops like this are a dime a dozen. A clever way to describe anything ordinary. Number 24. Think outside the box. It means to be creative, to come up with new, original ideas. For example, we need a new marketing plan, so let's think outside the box. Perfect for school, work, or problem-solving situations. Number 25. Come full circle. It means to return to where you started, but wiser and more experienced. For example, after years of traveling, I came full circle and moved back home. A reflective and meaningful idiom. Perfect to end on. And there you go. 25 idioms you can start using today to make your English sound more natural, expressive, and full of life. Practice a few each day, use them in conversation, and soon your English will shine, come rain or shine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Emma, and I'll see you next time here on Mr. English Studio, where learning English feels as easy as pie.